Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new smartwatch to show you all, and this one is from TAGG. Model is Verve Max, just launched in India, and it's like their brand new affordable category smartwatch. And let me tell you, this is like chota packet bada dhamaka guys. For such an affordable price, it actually packs some pretty impressive features. It's got like a big 1.78-inch display, it's IP68 water resistant and plenty of other stuff which I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. So TAGG's new smartwatch comes in this sort of box packaging. Model is Verve Max, and on the front it says more time to shine and features a picture of the product over here. Going to the back, here you've got all of its details and features specified, and main highlight of this product is it comes with a big display at an affordable price. Has a 1.78-inch max display with a 320 by 385 resolution, supports live watch faces, it's IP68 water resistant, and plenty of health related features which we'll cover as and how we unbox and proceed in the video. And by the way, forgot to mention, this video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Anyways, moving on, outer cover slides out like this, and there you go. Looks like we have one more box on the inside, and the package kind of opens up like a book, guys. Look at this. It says flaunt your Verve Max and has some details about the compatible app for this smartwatch. So let me just take it out and show you how the product looks like. And by the way, this smartwatch is available in 3 to 4 different color variants. We have the silver color edition with grayish white straps. Along with that, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. That is it. These are all the accessories we got in the box. Now let's have a closer look and talk about the design and build quality. And as you can see, I've already installed the straps on this thing, and this is how our brand new TAGG Verve Max budget smartwatch looks like. It's got a squarish form factor, guys, and is actually pretty big in size. Look at that display. It's got a 1.78-inch max LCD display, and if you can observe, the edges are slightly curved over here, guys. Looks like a 2.5D curved glass at the top side. Build quality does look pretty nice. The outer casing looks like is made of metal. And talking about the buttons, there's only one button to the right side, which is a multi-function button / power button. This is how the back side looks like. At the back, you've got the regular stuff, HR sensor at the center, some charging contacts above that, and that is pretty much it. Not to forget, watch is also IP68 water resistant, right? So you don't need to worry about sweat or these sort of stuff. Quality of the straps is also nice, feels soft and durable, and best part, you can even remove and replace them with your favorite ones anytime. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using the smartwatch for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. First, I'll tell you about the display quality, and after that we'll move on and talk about the built-in apps, features, and the watch performance. So as I've told you guys, the TAGG Verve Max features a big 1.78-inch high-resolution LCD display. And for this price point, the display on this watch is actually pretty good, guys. No, I'm not exaggerating. I've seen so many smartwatches around this price point, guys, and most of these come with like a cheap TFT display. That is not the case over here. TAGG has not compromised. It's got like a very good display, guys, and it's actually quite bright, guys. Offers around 500 nits of brightness. There's good amount of detail, guys. Everything looks crisp and clear thanks to that high resolution. You have around 320 by 385 resolution at this size, which is actually pretty good. Talking about the colors were also nice. Everything looked rich and accurate, and contrast levels, black levels are also decent for an LCD panel. Now, one thing I do have to mention is, yes, I do agree bezels on this smartwatch are slightly a bit thicker, especially on the bottom bezel part. But see, it's an affordable category smartwatch, right? So you can't complain much. It is quite acceptable at this price point. Anyways, moving on, this is how the home screen looks like. As usual, this watch also has raise to wake support, and raise to wake features working well, as you can see in the video. So basically, talking about the watch faces, the watch has like 5 watch faces pre-installed, and you can download even more cloud-based watch faces using the compatible app. It supports almost like 100 plus cloud-based watch faces, so plenty of options to choose from. And apart from that, it also supports live watch faces. So swiping down on the home screen gives you that quick settings and toggles. Here you can access a lot of things, like you can directly adjust the brightness, gives you a glance at the weather, you can access a couple of other useful system settings. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can quickly access the notifications area. This area shows you like your recent messages or missed call notifications and these sort of stuff. Again, for this area to work, you'll definitely need to install the compatible app, pair your watch with the phone, and then only you'll be able to receive all these stuff. And by swiping left on the home screen gives you access to all the widgets present on this watch. You've got a couple of widgets, guys, like it shows you fitness related widgets, your HR monitoring, SpO2 level measurement, and these sort of stuff. And if you want to access like the complete list of apps and features present on it, you can do that by swiping right on the home screen. And there you go, guys, complete list of apps present on it. First of all, I have to mention TAGG has greatly improved the UI on this new model. It's much more clean, organized, and everything is, very systematic, guys, very easy to access the apps, and also looks pretty nice and decent. I do have to appreciate that. So starting off at the top, you got the fitness related app, which shows you your current number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned for that particular day. If you want like a detailed summary, you can check it out on your compatible app. And moving on, you've got your sleep data analysis, HR measurement is there, and blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is there, BP measurement is also available, and all these health related functions are there on this smartwatch. We'll talk about that in a moment. Moving on, you've got the weather app, you've got remote camera shutter as well, and also remote music control, so you can use this smartwatch to control these things happening on your phone. Apart from these, you do have all the general related applications like alarms is there, timer function is available, stopwatch is there, calculator is also built in, guys. So basically the watch has every general function that you would look for on a smartwatch. And lastly, best part is this affordable category smartwatch has like built-in games also. I mean, just look at this. It's got a game called as Young Bird, which is nothing but Flappy Bird, and also 2048 game. And lastly, heading over to the settings, here you can adjust a couple of things like watch display brightness and screen timeout settings, watch faces to choose from, low power mode is also available, and things like that. So that is pretty much it, guys, our complete overview on the built-in apps, features, and all of that. And talking about the watch performance is pretty good. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters, guys, and all the app openings, closings, everything was pretty smooth, and I had like a pleasant experience so far. Now let me tell you about the health and fitness related stuff. So just like any other smartwatch, even this one supports like plenty of health related functions. You've got your HR measurement available, blood oxygen SpO2 is there, BP monitoring is also available, and lastly sleep monitoring and analysis is also available. And thanks to the integration of Sense Plus technology, all these sensors were working well and giving accurate results most of the time. And coming to fitness related stuff, let me tell you the TAGG Verve Max supports almost 24 different sport activity tracking. Like you got walking, treadmill, running, hiking, lots of activities are supported. And whenever you turn these activities right, watch will start measuring a lot of things like how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned, your 24/7 continuous HR measurement, and these sort of stuff, and give you like a detailed analysis and summary on the compatible app as well as the watch. One thing you might miss over here is built-in GPS. Again, hey, this is a budget category smartwatch, right? So you can't expect that. But as an alternative, the watch does support in-app GPS tracking. So you can carry your phone and open the compatible app, and the app will utilize your phone's GPS and give you location related data. So that option is definitely available over here. Now let me tell you how you receive call and SMS notifications. So for this feature to work, you'll definitely need to install the compatible app called as TAGG Sports on your phone, available on both Android as well as iOS App Store. And once you do that, you'll just need to like pair your watch, and that's it, guys. Enable some permissions, and after that, this is how you receive SMS or message notifications. It can show you message notifications from different sources: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, your general SMSs, and it shows you the name of the person sending and also the content of the message. But again, there is no option to reply to these SMS just like any other smartwatch. And along with that, this is how you receive call notifications on the watch. It shows you the number or name of the person calling and gives you an option to either end or dismiss the call. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life on this particular model is actually pretty good, and on an average, guys, with a mediocre sort of usage, with the brightness set to like 70%, getting a bit of notifications now and then, and doing a bit of fitness activities, you can easily expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. So that is pretty much it, guys. Our video on TAGG's brand new Verve Max smartwatch. Very good smartwatch for this price point, super affordable, comes with a big 1.78-inch max display. It's IPS IP68 dust and water resistant, offers plenty of sports and health related functions and decent battery life as well. Now talking about the pricing, the usual sale price of this watch is around 2999, but they're actually having like a special launch price offer and they're selling it for only 2499 rupees for a limited time period. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and I'll see you all in my next one.